So today on the table, I have a Huawei Mate 10 Pro that requires a camera lens to be replaced. This very bottom one. So from looking it up, replacing the back cover is not going to do anything because the actual lens, the camera protrudes through the back cover. And it's weird, the bottom one seems to be frosted. So I suspect that it's already an aftermarket one. I have had the phone on the heat pad for 75 degrees Celsius for 5-10 minutes. Now I've just put some isopropyl there and I'm going to pick the lens out. So going by how easy it came out, I do suspect that it has been changed once before. So I'll proceed to remove that, give it a bit of a quick clean up with some isopropyl. And then I'm going to be using an iPhone 7 rear camera lens, which turns out to be extremely close to the camera lens on this model. There it is there. So I'll try to sparingly put dab some B7000 frame adhesive on there. And then I'm going to use the tweezers to smear it around to hopefully avoid getting it on the camera itself. Now time to reapply or put down the new camera lens. Being just a tad bit stubborn, and it's also trying to get some glue onto the camera, which definitely don't want that. But here we go, much better. So the fitment of it's pretty good. The color of it is slightly different to the original one, but the image quality is perfectly acceptable. So this, I'm just going to clean up the rest of the back cover, remove the excess B7000 adhesive. Then this one's basically considered finished. So a very straightforward job, and I'll catch you later. Bye.